If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Babydoge video update today. And Babydoge hasn't really moved, even though we saw Bitcoin yesterday making an amazing, incredible move to the upside. But one thing I want to show you on the OKX exchange, and there's a little bit of a difference between the OKX and another thing. So basically, this is a freebie that I've given in my Discord right now. So on the announcement, I actually ended up, giving this small freebie for Babydoge. And if you want to join the Discord, and this is actually on what we trade on the private channel. So I do have my buyings at 40918, and I'm looking for that stop loss at 38677, and I'm trying to sell at the 52,000, just as I've been talking about before on the channel. So basically, to me right now, this is the OKX exchange, and there's a small difference between the OKX and the Gate.io exchange, and I'm going to show you this one very quickly. Right, so here's your Gate.io exchange, and the previous one was the OKX exchange. So what happened on the Gate.io? Gate.io looks a little bit weird and different because there's a liquidity. The liquidity is different. Every exchange has a different liquidity amount. So you actually came down to 3.9328. Okay, 3.9328, which is actually still a support level on Gate.io. And if you look at the OKX, you actually came down to 4.03, and it wasn't like 3,900 level. Now, I had some stop losses mentioned on my private that, we need a stop loss at 3.9 or 3.8 something, which on Gate.io seems like the stops was taken away, but on OKX exchange, it looks amazing. Now, what really interests me is the 45 minutes time frame. So look at the 45 minutes time frame, and this is where the whole beauty really is. Look at this. How can you get a picture perfect pattern? I mean, this is a symmetrical triangle, classical break and a retest pattern, and the retest looks amazing to me personally. So look at this. One touch here, second touch there, third one right here, fourth one right there, fifth one somewhere here, break to the upside, came down for the retest, and if you focus on that retest, we're pretty much making this confirmation candles back, and whatever was resistance right here, like this line right over there, is now being turned into support line. And then you have this lower support as well. We have one touch here, second touch there, several touches here, and you've come down and you're really at the junction point. So this is like the junction where you really don't want to come below actually 3.976, and I do have my stop losses where at 38677 basically. So it's just a little bit lower to prevent any stop losses. And yeah, so let's see. You have a technical target to move to 5.275, which makes it nearly 27% from now. I will even suggest you to just take the trade. It's not a big loss or anything. But I think it's worth a try. I think you should be taking the try. No financial advice is do some money management. You're really interested to be taking in the trades as I'm doing right now in the future. On 20th, I do open up the private channels for entries. Do check it out, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.